Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today meet the 2025 Lexus LFA, a rebirth of a legend. Lexus has taken everything we loved about the original and pushed it to new heights. Today, we'll dive into the key features, performance, and design of this engineering masterpiece. At first glance, the LFA's sleek, aggressive design commands attention. The signature spindle grille has been refined for a more aerodynamic look, while the sharp, LED headlights emphasize its modern edge. Every curve, every line is sculpted with purpose, designed to cut through air with minimal resistance. Step inside, and you'll find a cockpit built for both luxury and performance. The carbon fiber accents complement the ultra-premium leather seats, which are designed to hold you snugly during those high-speed corners. The driver-focused digital display provides real-time data with a customizable interface, so all your vital stats are just a glance away. Under the hood, the 2025 LFA packs a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine, pushing out an astonishing 730 horsepower. Lexus engineers have worked tirelessly to deliver a soundtrack that's nothing short of symphonic, thanks to the titanium exhaust system. And that famous high-revving engine. It still screams up to 9,000 RPM. 0 to 60. Just 2.7 seconds. Top speed. Over 215 miles per hour. But it's not just about the numbers. The LFA's carbon fiber reinforced polymer body ensures it's lightweight yet rigid, giving you razor-sharp handling and stability at high speeds. And when it comes to stopping power, the massive carbon ceramic brakes bring the LFA to a halt in an instant. Combined with adaptive suspension, this car is built to handle everything from tight corners to open straightaways with ease. The 2025 Lexus LFA is more than just a supercar, it's a statement. A limited production masterpiece that blends breathtaking performance with luxury craftsmanship. Whether on the track or the streets, the LFA ensures you're not just driving, you're experiencing the future of Lexus.